So a lot of cool features, but I'm just going to highlight my personal favorites and probably the ones that you're going to use the most. Hi everyone, my name is Kelvin G. I'm with Tesla Owners of Silicon Valley, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. Now, Insta360 has been creating some really great products, but I'm actually really excited about this product because this is a mobile phone gimbal, but we're just going to open this up now and see what's inside. Yep, and it opens really nicely. We've got this nice little packet here, some tiered instructions for iOS, Android, and free tilt mode. So that's kind of cool. And then you've got this nice little baggie. You've got two boxes inside. I think this is the magnetic cap that goes on the back of your phone, like so, and that affixes to your gimbal. So we have the cables, and then we have the actual gimbal itself. Oh yeah, this is the bracket that holds the phone. It's a nice sturdy Insta360 branded bracket. Okay, and then the main product itself. So let's open this up. Oh, there we go. Okay, now that we've unboxed the Insta360 Flow Pro, I want to highlight some features now that I've had some time to live with it and test it out. I'm just going to show you some of my favorite features. It's kind of like the 80-20 rule. 20% of its functionality people are going to use 80% of the time, but this is a pretty robust gimbal. So a lot of cool features, but I'm just going to highlight my personal favorites and probably the ones that you're going to use the most. The first is the portability. I mean, look how small and compact this thing folds up. So you can easily slip this into a jacket pocket or a pant pocket or a cargo pant pocket and carry around with you. So again, they always say the best camera around available is this one that you have around and available. And so your iPhone or your smartphone typically will be that, but this will make your videos so much smoother if you can stabilize your videos. So the first thing I'll point out is the smart wheel. It's got this cool little 4-directional smart wheel control, and it allows you to do a lot of things within just this one little control wheel. It also has a little trigger button on the back here, which I'll show you here, which is nice because it quickly stabilizes and resets the gimbal whenever you need to. Before I get there though, I want to talk about what comes in the kit. It comes with this little magnetic bracket adapter that goes on the back of your phone like that. And then you just basically line up, you see that red dot there? You just line that up to the top of this, and you can feel the magnet securely latch on. And so now you've got a really secure grip and attachment. And then you just basically unwind it, and voila, you can see it's in green. It's activated and ready to go. So really easy to attach when you need to shoot something. The other thing I'll quickly talk about is it's got a cool built-in tripod and selfie stick. It's sturdy, it's stable, and it's built in. At the bottom here, you got these little legs that really pull out like this. Again, whenever you need to put it on a table or a level surface to shoot, you've got a built-in little tripod like that. So really, really cool and convenient. Again, Swiss Army knife. And the other thing that I'll call out is it's also a selfie stick. It will pull out like this. It's got this whole telescopic ability, and you can adjust it here. This allows you to shoot high angles and low angles, and it gives you a lot more flexibility in terms of capturing people if you want to do a selfie. So another cool little feature. The other cool feature I like to demonstrate is it can shoot in vertical or landscape mode, and you just need to tap this button here on the side of the scroll wheel, which is to your right. Hit it twice and voila, you're in landscape mode. Then hit it again twice and you're back to vertical mode. The other nice, cool, innovative feature Insta360 implemented is this little mirror here. And they put it here so you can see yourself if you want to do a selfie. You can help frame the shot before you actually take the video or the photo. And so just another nice little clever idea that's well implemented. The other nice thing is there's a built-in battery in this Flow gimbal, and you can actually use it to reverse charge your phone. So if you're low on battery on your phone, this basically acts as a battery pack. And so you can see here there's a USB-C port, and it comes included with this USB-C cable, and you just basically plug this in here and you plug it into your phone, and then voila, you can charge up your phone. Basically, they claim you can get 10 hours of shooting with a fully charged battery in the Flow. So that's kind of cool too. Also included in the kit is this little spotlight attachment. And what this is for is when you attach it into the USB here, it turns into a little selfie light for low light shooting. The other nice thing that Insta360 implemented is Apple DockKit, which is an integration with Apple's native applications, including the camera app. So for those who prefer using the built-in iPhone camera app, you can do so. I actually prefer using the Insta360 app, which you see here. It's got all the native capabilities built in, and so I don't have to worry about will it work or will it not work. Everything works, it's built in, and it's integrated with the Flow Pro. So I actually prefer using their app. So in summary, I love this thing. I bring it almost everywhere I go, what I need to shoot, and it's a super cool, flexible tool that allows me to shoot stable videos on my phone whenever I need to. So thanks for watching, and subscribe for other great videos. Thanks.